Hi, welcome to the IPA Little Thinkers podcast. I'm your host Sharada Sriram, and today I'm going to be talking to you on unlocking potential with Abacus. Mainly, what is the best age to start? I'm the founder of IPA, and we've been training several children globally using the magic tool Abacus. What is the Abacus? The abacus is a tool which works like a manual calculator, but when we use it to train the children, they are even faster than any calculator. And this was initially used in China and in Rome, Japan, Russia, and many countries. Now it is widely used worldwide for the purpose of education. How does the abacus work? The abacus has beads. So all numbers are converted to beads and the children start visualizing these beads. By imagery, they are able to calculate much faster. This is because they use the left and the right brain. And because of this, they improve in speed, accuracy, and in concentration. Now we come to the topic for today. What is the ideal age to start using the abacus? Now, the abacus ideally should be started very early because at a young age, the brain is very fertile for the children and can be trained easily. However, they have to at least know the concept of numbers and simple addition and subtraction, which is why we recommend the age 4 to 5 as a good starting age. Actually, the best starting age if the children already have some concept of numbers. Why so early? Because as you all know, the brain of the child is developed in the first few years and is fully developed by the time the child is 8 or 9. Most of the brain development takes place. So when we start young, we are able to train the brain the right way. However, if your child has missed out on the training by the time he or she is 4 or 5, don't worry, because we also have many students who have joined at the age of 6 to 8 who are also showing tremendous progress. In fact, we take children at the entry level up to age 12. So we have children 4 to 5, 6 to 8 and also 9 and above. In IPA, what we do is that we have two streams for the children. The 4 to 6 come under the elementary stream and the 7 to 12 come under regular stream. And how we do it is parallelly we have classes running for the 4 to 6 and the 7 to 12. They follow two different sets of books. The concept is the same, but the 4 to 6 year olds are taken at a slightly slower pace so that there is no pressure on them and they have a lot of time to learn. And then after about 1 to 1.5 years of that kind of training, they are able to cope with the same syllabus as the 7 to 12. So this is how we target the children based on the age group and train them accordingly. Now, what are the benefits of learning the abacus? Improve mental maths. So the children really improve in mental maths. And imagine if your child is 4 to 12 and has the foundation so strong at a very young age, how useful it is for them later on in life. Also, they improve in concentration and memory. In our abacus class, we have various exercises for the children like listening skill, flashcards and so on, and this really works on their concentration and their memory. It also improves their problem solving ability. That is because by training them using the abacus, we are activating the left and the right brain. We use the imagery to visualize the beads. However, they have to know which formula to apply, and this is done at great speed, and this improves their problem solving ability. Because of all this, their overall academic performance shows significant improvement and also other activities, and therefore they have an increased confidence and self-esteem. We have many students who have completed our abacus course and who are doing extremely well in life. So many engineers, doctors, and people who find competitive exams so easy because of their fundamental abacus training, and their aptitude skills are so high. We will share a couple of students' reviews so that you understand what I'm talking about when I say testimonials from our students. Also, as a parent, if you're looking at what is a right abacus class for your child, then let me tell you, this abacus course is scientifically developed. We have taken our training from China and our Malaysian trainer, his teacher is from China and he has passed on the training to us. So our course is developed with a lot of care and attention on how the numbers are to be presented. So at IPA, we bring a wealth of experience and knowledge. And typically how we structure the class is that we have classes once a week for 2 hours, or in some places twice a week for 1.5 hours. And we also incorporate a lot of activities. Since the children are young, when they join our class, we intersperse the class with a lot of activities so that they enjoy what they're learning. So if you enjoyed this podcast and you found it useful, please join our IPA community. We have given some links to our website, to our YouTube channel, and to our podcast. You can please subscribe. Also visit our website for more information. Thank you so much for giving us your time today. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to share that so we can improve in our next podcast. Thank you.